Watch me ride this girl.
Thing about tickles is tickles are wonderful things. The tops are made out of rubber, the bottoms are made out of springs. They're bouncy, trouncy, flouncy, pouncy, fun, 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 fun.
A few moments later.
Mal. Se mata. Bro, so I'm at my job. Look at this tweaker, bro. What the fuck? Damn! Oh no. Oh my god, oh my god. I just fell in the water. Look, my Gucci's full of water.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
That's all, folks. See you next time.